how to enable night light on Moto Edge 15 Fusion and Moto 15 series. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll. Tap on a display. Again scroll. Here you can see the night light option. When you toggle on it, it will change your screen color to dim, so you can easily read in a dim light. Tap on a night light. Here you can set a schedule to automatically turn on night light mode. Tap on turn on at a custom time. Now enter the start time and end time to automatically turn on night light. Night light tints your screen amber. This makes easier to look at your screen and read in a dim light. Also fall asleep easily on your device. Tap on a schedule. Turn on from sunset to sunrise. Make sure turn on location. So select the option and toggle on it to use the night light on your Samsung and use the night light on your Moto S15 Fusion and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.